Welcome back to another show, everyone. I wanted to do this video that I've seen that's been going viral. It just came across my feed. There is something going on that there is a loss of decorum in our society.
What I mean by that is if what you were looking to do is talk to someone about your case, maybe sort of get a better deal or some sort of offer, you can plead not guilty today. That does mean, ma'am, are you in a bathrobe with no clothes underneath, scratching your boob? That's not appropriate for court.
No.
Okay, we're gonna put you back in the waiting room. Go try again, put on some other sort of outfit, and then we'll bring you back over and still try to get you done today, okay? But you are in court.
Just imagine, this woman did not have to get in her car and drive across town. She didn't have to do anything. She literally just had to walk out of her bedroom into her living room, or perhaps even stay in her bedroom where her laptop was located. All she had to do was get dressed from the waist up. But for some reason, she thought it was okay to stay in her bonnet and in her robe. I just didn't grow up like that. I don't understand what has happened to society that it has devolved to this point. But there's actually another story that went viral of a woman doing something similar during her Zoom court appearance. But before I show you that, let me show you what she looks like outside of how she appeared in the Zoom courtroom.
So the irony about the clothing issue here, Asia Outerbridge, a professional stylist for her job. Turns out her daughter was sick that day. Still, the case raises questions about virtual courtroom decorum.
Laughing at the situation at hand, And I don't want the judge to think that I'm laughing at the situation at hand, because I'm not. I take that very seriously. I do it genuinely with a serious face. Apologize to the judge.
So you see her right there being interviewed on the news. Very cute, put together young lady, just said she's a stylist. Here's another interview on another station. So even she said, hey, COVID is over, let's get back physically into court. But again, in both interviews, very presentable, put together, which again is a complete there's a complete opposite way that she appeared when she was actually in the courtroom. Let's take a look at that.
So when I called...
No, we can't talk at the same time.
Well, I apologize for being late. Excuse me.
Stop. Whatever you're trying to prepare now.
I'm trying to be my daughter. I am properly
Is that a
dressed.
robe? Is that a robe?
So what makes this so funny is that not only is she wearing a robe, not only is she inappropriately dressed, she's got her phone. I presume she's using her phone. She's got that sitting down, looking up at her while she's making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for herself. She's saying that her daughter was sick and she had to pick up her daughter, blah, blah, blah. But that's still, you still are in court. Even though it's virtual, you're still in court. You wouldn't go to an actual court dressed in a robe and making your kid a peanut butter and jelly sandwich while you're sitting in the courtroom waiting to be called up before the judge. But again, it's just this loss of decorum. This same judge actually had another woman appear before him. I feel so sorry for this judge. He is having these types of conversations all the time. Take a look at this one.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You need to put your drink down, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're sitting here taking this plea on the record. You want me to pass it, let you get yourself together? You can go take your robe off and get yourself straightened up and then have your breakfast and all that?
No. I'm ready.
You understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
You said 93 days in jail?
That's the maximum possible penalty. That's what I can do, sentence you to for these convictions that you got to take a plea to.
So again, I've got to feel sorry for this judge. He's dealing with people day in and day out in front of him. Then he's got to deal with these individuals who are appearing before him virtually that have absolutely no idea what decorum is. They have absolutely no respect for the court, for our court system. You're literally talking to an individual who can take away your freedom, who can fine you and has the discretion to give you a maximum fine, minimum fine, no fine. You're talking to someone who has the power, who can give you a maximum sentence, a minimum sentence, or no sentence. This is our court system, and I just don't know what to say. The fatigue is real. Anytime it reaches the courtroom, you can see the judge's face. He is just completely frustrated dealing with this day in and day out. We've got to do better. We've got to hold each other accountable. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. I respond to all comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. This is the David Seaton Show.